Given quantity 2 times 1 divided by 2, comma, 4, quantity 4 divided by 1 times 2, quantity 6 times 1 divided by 2, comma, blank. Choices: A is 8, B 16, C is 4, D 32. Okay, first we have to identify what is in this blank. Okay, as we can see, we have this pattern. Okay, first number 2, next 4, 6. So our next number here would be 8. Then for the operation, times divide, divide times, times divide. So next would be divide. Okay, at least lang yung 1 and 2. So divided by 1 times 2. Okay, wala ito sa choices. So we need to evaluate this quantity. Okay, so 8 divided by 1 times 2. Okay, from PEMDAS, we have this rule, divide or multiply from left to right. Okay, we need to divide first, then multiply. 8 divided by 1 is 8. Then 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, so the answer for this question is letter B.